Hey, this is Gary Kay. We are here in Minneapolis, Minnesota, getting a sneak peek of the rAVe Roadshow Tour truck. And I'm here with Beth Peterson, marketing manager at Legrand. What's this product here?
Yeah, so this is the brand new Vaddio IntelliSHOT ePTZ camera. So it launched this summer, and we're really excited to show it here in the Roadshow because we didn't get to show it last year.
Yeah, and this is an interesting product because, well, first off, let's talk about specs. It's 1080 or 4K?
It's 1080p 60, and it's simultaneous USB, HDMI, and IP streaming. So RTSP and RTMP. You can do a lot with this camera. It's super powerful.
Oh, that is really neat. And this is perfect for a conference room application or a classroom application because it's an auto tracking ePTZ camera. And it's got some neat features, and you've got some really neat technology that drives that.
Yeah, so this is our IntelliFrame technology, and I say it's two cameras in one. It's doing both auto framing for video conferencing and also auto tracking for lecture capture. So this is just in our back end system. It has 8 different settings that you can adjust to really fine tune the tracking and the framing depending on the application, right? So it has this cool masking feature where you could mask off students in the front of an auditorium so it's not framing students that you don't want to, can mask out busy walkways, windows. It's just really a fine-tunable experience, which is why people are loving it.
So in a classroom application, if students are sitting in the front row and the camera's shooting from behind, when they get up to go to the restroom, it won't follow them out the door. It stays focused on the instructor. I love that.
Yeah, so that's the unique thing about this camera. It's not using AI. It's not using facial detection. It's using movement. So if it's moving, you're going to be followed. So.
Yeah, but you can mask off what you don't want to have followed.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay, and this is on the Vaddio website, also on the rAVe website. We're still going to shoot some other videos. This is designed for you so that you can see what you are going to have an opportunity to come see yourself when the rAVe Roadshow truck visits your town. Go to rAVe.com to get more details. Beth, thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah.